This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by J. Rudiger Weiss. This home has everything: location and a great open floor plan. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage and a fenced backyard. Upon entering the home, you will find a nicely updated home with all bells and whistles, ready to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. New air conditioner in 2019, pool resurfaced in 2019, new hurricane windows in 2017. Kitchen with quartz countertops, both bathrooms with granite countertops and KitchenAid appliances. Take on a tour and explore the neighborhood of Palma Sola, close to the beaches on Anna Maria Island and Bradenton Beach, close to shopping and dining as well. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Rudiger Weiss at 941-365-0022.